Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are doing really well, and the monsoon season is here. And what are you guys just doing if you are not relishing this vegetable soup? So watch this recipe till end. I hope you are going to enjoy. So first of all, in a pan I took some oil. Then in it I added some juliennes of onion. Also added a teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Now sauteing until it caramelizes a bit. Finally, when it's done, I'm adding some of my favorite vegetables. You can use anything of your choice, but I'm using here sweet corn, cucumber, those bright orange carrots, a hint of green bell pepper, and finally green chilies to add up that spicy moment. Saute in medium heat until all the veggies are properly cooked. Now adding our flavor boosters, salt and pepper. I just love this salt and pepper combo. What about you? Let me know in the comment section. Now adding the ingredient that makes it called really a soup, a cup of water. Now mix until all the ingredients are properly combined. Look at this soup right now, it's shimmering hot. I'm mixing a teaspoon of cornflour with half cup of water to make that cornflour slurry, and now pouring it into a soup to make it a bit thicker and give it a proper consistency. Again mixing everything together. Sprinkling some coriander leaves. You may also do with spring onions if you like. Our soup is done and it looks really gorgeous. So yes, there are different varieties of soup, but I don't think anything can replace this authentic vegetable soup. And also my recipe is just with some simple ingredients available at your home, so please try this and like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.